Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here today to do a flip through of this little Halloween journal that I made. I was inspired by Tracy Fox, Creep on June, to kind of get out my Halloween and start thinking the holidays. And what I did was I took a existing journal and I turned it into this little junk journal. I have a video on how I did that on my channel, but let's just flip through this. These journals are basically blank journals. There's a lot of room for you to write in. There are 31 pages, enough to do like a Halloween or October daily, and it's just a lot of fun to make. I really enjoyed it. The closure is a mini bulldog clip, and it has a little, let's see, that's a little moon charm, and then the bookmarks also have the same little charm on there. It's covered in the sticky backed velvet. It has a library pocket here with just a couple of little items in there. Oops, let's see if I can get that out. It's just a little witch inventory of things you might need for Halloween. And then this is just the book card. I made this little blackboard tag from the Dollar Tree. I'm having a hard time spitting it out today. I apologize. This is just a sticker that I made. Like I say, a lot of the pages are just blank. I added a little stamp there, the little fingerprint. And then this is just, I added some craft paper, a little witch sticker, and then this is just a little haunted mansion digital, and then this is just a little digital that I added on there made it a little wobble, and like I say, this is another digital that just has a little kind of like a tarot card that she would read. And then this is just a little guest check that has the poison apple on there, and then you could write a recipe or use it in different ways. I love to use guest checks as tags. And then this is just a little vial with some glitter in there that's called bone dust. And then this is another little digital print. I got these at the Dollar Tree and just painted them and added them to the journal. Let's see. I think these are just, oh, there's a little raven print. I did do a lot of stamping in this one. That's another little sticker that I made. These are just a couple of digitals, the apple picking and pumpkin patch. Salem Broom Company. Another little sticker. Like I say, it's basically a journal for you to make your own. These are a couple little tags. This is an homage to the Wizard of Oz, the flying monkeys, and then the melting witch. And then let's see, it's just more page. There's a little poison. Oh, this is a little digital witch that I thought was cute. And then the back is just a tuck spot, and then it had a place to hold a pen, but I had these little pencils from the Dollar Tree, so I added one on there. So that's it. It's for sale in my Etsy shop, and I do appreciate your time. I appreciate any comments or any questions. Thank you.